Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Evelyn Bantolio. I am 39 years old. I have four brothers and three sisters. I have two children, 14 years old and 1 year and 5 months old. My work experience in Singapore for 8 years are preparing the food, cleaning the house, ironing, marketing, bring the kids to school and fetch them. I know also how to take care of a baby. To my future employer, please hire me as your new helper. I am honest, cheerful, helpful person and I can work under pressure. I am willing to learn new ideas which my new employer instruct me. I promise to finish my 2 years contract as long as my new employer needs me.